So for numbers 1 through 16, we match these notes up over here with the notes that we have over in our Module 5 study guide. Okay, so number 1, that one is on the second space, so it's the second letter of the word face. Second letter is A. Number 2, it's on the first line. The bottom line is the first line. So the answer is going to be the first word, or the first letter of the first word of Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. So it's an E. Number 3, we'll go ahead and do that one too. It is the second line. So it's the second word's first letter. So Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. Second word is guitar. First letter of that is a G. So number 3 is a G, second line, Elvis's guitar. Number 4, this one has a sharp in front of it, but we still figure out what the letter name is, the pitch name is first by which spot it's on. So this is 1, 2, 3 spaces up. So it's the third letter of the word face, F-A-C. And it has the sharp in front of it. So we add that sharp symbol after the letter name, okay? After the letter name. Let's skip over to numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12. So on number 9, this one is on the third line. So it's Elvis's guitar broke. That one is a B. We have that flat symbol before it, so we put it after it. So it's B flat, and we can't actually write it out. So we go ahead and put the lowercase b and instead of the flat symbol. Number 11 would be the same deal. Before we get to number 11, number 10. Number 10 has that natural sign. It just means it's the natural letter, dude. Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. So that one is also a G, just like number 3 is a G. Number 10 is also a G. Even if it has that natural sign, we can't draw the natural sign. It's the one that you can't really figure out how to draw. So that one is just the natural letter. Okay. And the natural is there because we actually had a G sharp at the previous measure. And usually if you have a G sharp in the measure before or in the same measure and you want it to be a G natural, then you put the natural sign there just to remind whoever is playing or singing that this one is natural instead of sharp like it was before. So number 11, this one is the bottom line. So it's the first word of Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. Elvis starts with E, and we have that flat symbol before it. So it's E flat. Now number 12, you either have this memorized. You can figure it out by stepping down from the bottom line E. You have E on the line. The space in between, go backwards in the alphabet, would be D. The next line down, go backwards in the alphabet from D, would be a C. And if that sounds too complicated for you, then look over here and find this one right here. And that one is a C, middle C, okay? And if you happen to write middle C, you can, but it is just a C if we're writing out the pitch names, okay? So that is numbers 1 through 12 on this practice assignment. Numbers 17 through 20 on this are what we have next, okay? Remember that our C always starts to the left of the 2 black keys. So you find your set of 2 black keys and the C is to the left of it, okay? So you find the 2 black keys, not the 3 black keys. This one is an F to the left of that. The 2 black keys to the left of that, that will always be a C. And this one is middle C. If you see, this is octave 4, so this means this one is C4. That's based off of your pianos that you're using on BandLab. Okay, so number 17, this one is on the second space, F, A. Actually, as we discovered up above, it's the same notes here. Okay, so we need to find the A above middle C. There's no C's in between middle C and this A. So we start from middle C and count forward until we find that A. So I go C, next white key up would be forward in the alphabet, D, E, F, G, and then A. So number 17 is that in key would be it. Okay. Next up is 18, number 18. So that one is the bottom line. So that one is first word of Elvis. So that's an E. Okay, and I need to find my E above middle C. C, D, E. So that one is the key on my keyboard, C. Number 19, that one is the second word of Elvis's guitar. So that's a G. So I need to find the G above middle C. C, D, E, F, G. So that one is a B. Number 20, this one is F, A, C. So it's the C above middle C, only it's sharp. So I find my C above middle C, and I know it's sharp. Okay, so to the left of the two black keys, this is a middle C. Or, sorry, this is a C. It's not middle C. Middle C is this one right here. So this is a C. Hey, Xavier, your sound keeps on turning on. So this C right here is the C that we're looking at for number 20. Only it has the sharp in front of it. So a C sharp would be one note up from the C. The one note up means it's going to be a flat key. So this one right here is a C sharp. So number 20 is an L. Let's take a look at 25, 26, and 27, 28. Okay, 25. That one is the third letter of Elvis's guitar broke down. E, G, B. So that one is going to be a B flat, right? So I need to find myself the B flat. This one is just below that second C that we had just found, but it is also above middle C. So it's in between middle C and that C above. Okay, so I count forward until I find my B right here. C, D, E, F, G, restart at A, B. So this key right here is my B that I'm looking for. I go down one note, which lands me on a black key for B flat. If it's flat, it goes down one note. So this one is going to be a J. Number 26, that's the second word of Elvis's guitar. So C, D, E, F, G. And that's right above middle C. It's below this C up here, right below that C right there. So that one is a B. Number 27. Number 27. That one is an E flat, first word of Elvis. So C, D, E, and I'm looking for the flat, so I go one key down on a flat. So here's my E, here is one key down. So my answer is a D. Okay, this one, we already figured it out above. That one was middle C. So I need to find my middle C. That's actually the note that we're basing everything else off of on this keyboard. So that one is Z. Okay. And that's how you do these questions.